Hey America, I'm walking across the other side of town, and right here in front of us is the dirty rotten judge. He just walked out of the post office. Hey Judge James, is there a reason that federal cases, U.S. Supreme Court cases from all your corruption cannot be mailed anymore to the address that I just had a dispute over? Judge James, would you like to answer some questions? I'm going to openly tell everybody how many federal crimes. Would you like to plead now to the grand juries of federal court when I go there how you deprive me of my rights to an attorney in the United States of America? U.S. Supreme Court, since some of you are watching my channels now in White Houses, this man here in the United States of America declined me my rights to an attorney. He is permitting and allowing federal fraud, state fraud, insurance fraud to all go on here. And Mike Stearns, how dare you go and arrest Holly Ural for doing things wrong when this man here he's a judge that you're supposed to believe. He's a big con artist, lying bastard. Judge James, would you like to plead guilty or not guilty now to the federal crimes that are going to be pressed against you? See how he just smirked? Thinks he knows the Senator Joe Manchin over here, who's a fraudulent bastard, and he knows Judge Alloy, who used to be down the hall from him. You know, people has got to know what these dirty bastards are doing. And United States Supreme Court, if you don't hear me out, you're showing the whole country that you don't give a shit. And President Trump, we're all going to know you as a liar, just like you said you were going to imprison Hillary Clinton, and then 2 hours afterwards said everybody should stand up and applaud for her and Bill Clinton. That's just corruption. I don't show no corruption. I speak the truth and nothing but the truth. He don't want to be interviewed in public. He don't want to serve no justice.
Right there.
Okay.
All right, now sign your name.
And please fax that to the courthouse, the clerk's office right there.
Nope, I don't do that.
I'm wanting to get justice here. Can you
I'm
send?
not doing that for you. You have to do that on your own.
Can you send an officer out here?
Nope, here.
I want to do a criminal complaint too against some of the judges.
Sign that, Zach.
You know, cameras are your best protection when you're messing around with the dirty humans that try to abuse you and destruct you.
Let me give you a copy of that. Here is this.
Alright. Make sure it's mine. Cheapo phone I have. Yep. I'm assuming that's it.
There's your copy.
Probably won't start. It hasn't been used in forever. Easy way to tell. Okay, the memory card is missing. Look here, America. The memory card is missing out of my phone. So now they have stolen these, you know, anybody that believes that you should believe a police officer is just wrong. These are down and dirty detectives that have did a falseful search and seizure warrant and stole my memory card out of it. Yeah, and I want the rest of my property back that you took without a search and seizure warrant. They did issue a search and seizure warrant for this telephone after the fact that they took it from me. It does not work that way in the United States. It's not supposed to. But with all these tripping police judges that are all corrupt in the state of West Virginia and throughout the United States that we the people need to rise up against is causing a problem. Okay, where is the, I would love to know where the rest of the telephone is. Down and dirty. Keep on riding, rest of the country, against these dirty police, because there's no punishment to any of them. This one here is going to turn into a civil issue now, where I want that, I want it back, the original one, and I want a year of cell phone service out of this deal right here. This is like, gotta inspect everything you get from them if they wrongfully take your property. That should have been a crime right there. The deprivation of rights under color of law. He deprived me of my rights to the Fourth Amendment search and seizure warrant. And then now they're stealing personal property from the public. He didn't pay for that SD card. I did, and now they stole my stuff. We're sick and tired of the corrupt law in the United States. It's all you have, and it's why the people are rising up everywhere in the country against them. Hi.
How are you doing
What
today?
is your name, Love?
Yes.
Okay, Love. The SD card from inside of here is missing.
Okay. When I got that phone to download it, there was no memory card in it. Okay.
Okay.
That phone is exactly the way it was when it was turned over to me.
All right, and there's a couple. I want to do some criminal complaints right now. Judge James should be arrested.
Okay. Stop right there. Okay.
Oh,
I'm here to discuss the telephone with you. You said that the memory card was missing.
Yep.
I'm here to tell you the memory card was not in that phone when I got it. Okay. All right.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Thank you.
now I want to go through some other things. Here is I'm right now.
What other things you want to go through?
I would like you to fax this paper right here. It says at the bottom, Will Riffle get arrested for the crime of 29B16 for not following FOIA law?
I'm not faxing anything for you.
Why?
Go ahead
Why?
and take care of it,
Why?
okay?
Okay. And if
All
I
right.
do, right now, Judge James is in violation of this misdemeanor charge right here. Will you go and arrest him and serve justice? He is in violation of federal crimes right now too.
If it's a federal crime, you need to contact the federal officer.
How come you
okay?
can arrest? You could arrest me if I had drugs in my car. You would arrest me right now for federal crimes. It starts off as a state crime, and then the feds pick it up.
I'm only here to talk to you about your cell phone, okay?
Jeffrey Freeman right now needs arrested for kidnapping and hostage charges, state crimes.
Okay, Mr. Knotts. You need to go and contact an attorney and discuss this with an attorney.
An attorney,
okay?
you're law enforcement. I'm
Okay.
coming to you to do
All
a
right,
police
sir.
report. If the neighbor was beating on
You
their
have a good
children,
day, okay?
if the neighbor was beating on
Mr.
their
Knotts,
children,
you have a good day. Grab your phone, okay? And go ahead and
I'm
head
very
out, okay?
confused as to
All right, sir.
why
Have a
you're
good
putting
day.
judges above law. They're putting judges above law, America. You're seeing this shit. We the people have got to stand up against this corruption. It's getting sick and despicable the way these humans are right here. Defending judges, allowing them to violate federal and state crimes. They're not doing anything. They sit around and worship, praise, sacrifice animals for these humans that they worship. These are sick, demonic humans right here doing this kind of shit and putting all of us in harm's way. They're putting us in harm's way with politicians committing all these crimes. What is your name? Riffle? Are you related to the Riffle judge?
No, sir.
Okay, because I was questioning that this morning. I would like to do a criminal complaint against all the judges.
Zach, what you need to do is you understand there is a judge's order prohibiting.
I was told to come here by your other men that it was okay to get what's in my pocket. Part of it's missing. Can you tell me where the SD card went?
I don't know anything about a phone or an SD card. All I know is that you're under a court order not to be on premises.
Yeah, and I was told to come here by two different ones. I got them on camera that says I was permitted.
Related, so.
It is court related.
I'm asking you to leave before we have to enforce that order.
But you won't enforce laws to the
Okay.
judges violating federal and state
I'm just
crimes.
asking you to leave for a
But
second
I am
time.
targeted. I am targeted by these corrupt people. Do not vote for him. Get the other one in there right now. You're seeing what kind of demonic human he is. Starting his shit with me, but putting others above the laws. But us street people are never protected. We're abused all the time. And somebody has got to do something. That's why I'm petitioning grand juries. Imagine me in there. I will be looking professional in front of them because I want to get it through. But even if I do get it through 18 people, what's going to happen next is they are going to turn around and probably dismiss it because they're so corrupt. If it was anybody else, they would not do it. But you're going to see it all because I'm going to be there filming it live. Alright, I'm switching this one over to Facebook and YouTube to show everybody else.
Jimmy Joe, sausage tape.
Gotta find a place to fax this. I already did one fax from Menards, but you can see that I faxed it in. Are they gonna make her follow the laws? Let's go into this of the state of West Virginia, where judges here in the most corrupt state in the United States allowed to be as sick and dirty as they are. I will need the FOIA law enforced by a judge who rule number 1 is federal and state canon rule is to be following the laws, honesty and integrity. I'm going to need that FOIA law on the 16 F-137 case to press felonies against the persecutor. And we the people, we need to put this judge in prison that you just seen right there. He's violating many other people's rights. And there's going to be a lot more shit coming out soon on this channel, how dirty these judges are.